Yo, what is going on, guys? My name is Carson and welcome back to another coding video. And in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make a youngest command and an oldest command in discord.js. So I am going to assume that you have a command handler like this. You can copy this down if you want, sorry, or else some way to enter commands. So first thing you're going to want to do is create a new file called functions.js and just leave it not in commands or anything and put this in it. So just copy that down, pretty perfect. Just going to format the date properly for a bit later on. Then you're going to want to make a new file called youngest.js and put it in your commands folder, and you're going to want to have const and name it format date. I'm just gonna space this out a wee bit. Equals require / functions. So that's just gonna make format date require functions. Then const discord equals require discord.js. So that's you sort of set up. Then you're going to want to do module.exports is equal to open curly brackets, name is youngest, and the description I forgot the comma is sends the youngest account within a guild. Now you can do that as whatever you want. Then this is going to be a run asynchronous, and you're going to want to have client message and arguments, and come out of that arrow function, and now we can start. So we're going to want to have let mem for member equals message dot guild dot members dot cache dot filter. Then in brackets have m arrow dot user dot bot. So I'm just gonna make sure it's not a bot. Come out of the brackets dot sort. Then you're gonna want to open brackets and then open another bracket and do a comma b. Come out of one set of brackets, do equals arrow, so like an arrow b dot user dot created at minus a dot user dot created at. Come out of brackets, do dot first. Now that is quite a lot to take in, but that's pretty much all there is. So I'll go over that again. So you're going to want to have let mem for member equals message.guild.members.cache.filter. Arrow function is not equal to m.user.bot dot sort ab arrow function b.user.created at minus a.user.created at dot first. It's quite a lot, I know, but let's just keep going. So then you're just going to want to create your embed. So new discord.message embed. Then you're just going to want to have dot set title, and then you're just going to want to have the youngest member is Oh yeah, I done the wrong thing. I'm gonna want to have one of those and one of those. The back brackets beside your 1, like to the left of 1 and above tab. Then you're gonna want to have message.guild.name. No. Oh, the youngest member in, I mean. Yep. And then you're gonna want to have dot set color. You can just do random or blurple or purple or whatever you want. Dot set footer. Then you're gonna want to make the date format. So let's do date format is month/day/year. Then dot set description. This is the next more challenging part, but it's not challenging at all really. Open brackets, then do your backticks. Do a $, then curly brackets. Mem.user. Come out of your curly brackets is the youngest member in. Then do the same again, but only message.guild.name. And then you're going to want to stay within your brackets. Just go down a bit if you want. That's just going to make it a bit smoother. Well, actually, no, it's not. Let's just go for this. Let's just do account created at. Then you're going to want to do format date. Then mem.user.created at. Now that is quite a lot in that line, so I am just going to bring it on the new line, but that really doesn't matter if you do that or not, it's up to you. Then you're going to want to message.channel.send embed. So that is all the code that is in it, and I'm just going to check that this works. So let me just quickly bring it into here. So I'll just copy it for clear, but change everything. So gonna want this to be youngest and youngest, and yeah, it is run. So now we're just going to want to node dot to start up the bot. As you now see, the bot is online. So if I do youngest, there we go. He replied with Carson is the youngest member in test, because that's what the server's called. Account created at 7/14/2017. So now we're going to want to create an oldest command, so it's pretty much the same, literally. So all you need to do for oldest command is make a new file, put it in commands, open up your youngest and simply copy it into oldest. And over here on this line where it says b.user created at -a.user, you just literally want to swap them around, so it says a.user.created at -b.user.created at. Then you're just going to want to change all the youngest parts to oldest. So let's go quickly do this. Oldest. Is that it? Yeah, it sure is. And then we're just going to want to do node dot again. That should restart the bot. And now if we do oldest, the bot has not restarted yet. Okay, it should, that's right, we haven't put it into here yet. So put it into your index oldest and oldest, and then do Control C, node dot, do oldest, and there we go. I'm also the oldest member because I'm the only member other than the bot, which was created a few days ago. But just as an example, I'm going to go to my server and I'm just going to go into the owner commands, and I'll do, actually I cannot do the command because I don't have my bot Aqua running, but you get the idea. You can basically do oldest member and youngest member. So thank you very much for watching this video, and if there's any other videos that you would like to see, make sure to let me know, and peace.